Hello and welcome to this video brought to you by Bayntree Wealth Advisors. My name is Christina Perez and I'm a certified financial planning professional. And today we're going to dive into the different financial planning services that Bayntree offers to 401k participants such as yourself. First, general disclosure, this video was made for educational purposes only and should not be seen as specific advice. So to highlight what we will be diving into a little bit further in this video, as a 401k participant, you do have point-in-time access to financial planners such as myself and the other advisors on the Bayntree team to reach out to ask questions. And this is just some examples. They could be any question related to your 401k or your entire financial planning picture, which includes everything from insurance to personal cash flow, etc. But questions such as how much should I contribute? How should I invest my 401k? How much does my employer contribute? And then we'll be diving into the different technology tools and resources that we also offer here. As I mentioned, you do have access to financial planners. So we can help you understand your 401k provisions, which really just means rules that were set by both the government, other regulatory bodies, but also your employer, in addition to understanding your contribution limits, which means how much can you put in each year, what is the maximum, and what kind of tax consequence do those contributions have later on. In addition, we can help you understand the investment options that you have available in your 401k and guide you into making the right choice as to which one might be the right choice for you. We also have access, and therefore you have access to different types of technology and tools. We are happy to run a risk tolerance analysis, and that would definitely feed into if we're providing any type of investment recommendation, since your risk tolerance is an important factor. And we use a software known as Nitrogen, which used to be known as Riskalyze. It probably takes about 15 minutes to go through that risk analysis with us, and we would send you a nice little report, which you can use to come up with your own investment strategy, or we are happy to have that discussion as well. In addition, if you're willing to provide your tax return from previous years, we have a great tax planning software known as Holistiplan, in which we can run your tax return through, and it produces a nice analysis and tax report that we can then review together with you just to make some observations and give you some highlights or guidance. And lastly, if you are needing an account aggregation and financial planning software, we can set up a profile for you, and it would allow you to link your bank accounts and other outside institutions so that you can track your net worth and potentially even your spending. On top of that, we do have other tools and resources, such as our monthly budget plan and tracker. And this is an Excel sheet that we can also provide to you. We actually shared a previous video on budgeting that has a link to this, but we should also have a link to this budget Excel sheet in the description. This is another great tool that you can use. It's a quiz to help you figure out if you have enough to retire and maintain your lifestyle and not run out of assets. So therefore, if you're interested in taking this quiz, feel free to click on the link that will be provided. And ultimately, you will have to connect with one of our advisors to get your results and have that question answered, essentially. And lastly, as always, feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions or want to discuss your specific situation. Have a great day.